Welcome back. So we're going to quickly review Nas and DJ, the Dow Jones. Those were excellent trades that played out today. So for Nas, I had shared with you all it was a opportunity for us to go long. However, if price got support, resistance from this area, right, open range high, and this green line is Friday's closing price magnet. Okay, so those are the two areas that I was looking for whether price was going to support it or get resistance, and obviously waiting until the actual news was done playing out, because CPI is always crazy. This is like the crazy news all the time, and it doesn't often, after it finishes it spikes, it just doesn't trend right away. You're gonna be in this craziness for about 15 to 30 minutes sometimes, right? At least it feels like it. It might not really be that long, but it feels like it, until it starts to trend, right? So nonetheless, this trade played out long. We did end up getting the support that I was looking for, but for those of you who may have taken this short, that was an opportunity too. But I don't often like to play with fire when it comes to CPI. I think it's like one of the worst trading news events ever, like all time. Okay, so we have level 1 here, and then level 2. Now we're in level 3 up here. Let me clear this out real quick so we can see what I'm talking about. All right, level 1, level 2, and now we're in level 3. Now, it looks like, this was our high for the day. Okay, this is the initial balance high, this line right here. And then we already, when the market opened, we already took that high out. You can see daily high is sitting right there. So that's why we see 2 breaks. Okay, now sometimes this could also mean that we are going to reverse, because typically on day 2, that's always day 3, because this is 1, 2, and 3. Day 3 is often a reversal. Now if it was to open up out of balance, then obviously we would expect this thing to continue to go up, but we're still in level 3 up here, and this is also a fairly decent half Batman signal. So I am looking for this market to go short, looking for a reversal. Okay, now is that going to happen in New York? I don't know. It could happen in the sessions before my session, but the opportunity is there. It could definitely come down to, let's just bring out these fibs. I mean, if you're going to take this thing short, I would just measure from the inside low there, to gauge where it's probably. So 180R, I'm just going to use 180R because that's around the 50% and 61.8. So 180R is going to be a good area that I would look for this to possibly stop going down. Like, we'll see. Okay, we'll just see. But definitely a short opportunity is underway for this particular pair. All right, real quick, let's move over to the Dow Jones, which also was a fantastic day 2 trend trade today. Okay, we have 1, 2, and then 3. You're going to notice the difference. We have 2 days of the peak and only 1 break. That's another good sign that, we're in reversal mode. And this is another, half of Batman type of signal, or pattern. Right, you can probably see it better here. Okay, but nonetheless, we have some major resistance, guys. Price hit the previous week high, and of course this is the initial balance high. So this thing is going to reverse. It's already given us the clues that it will reverse. If you are going to take the reversal, because it's still trending long, I would most likely take profits at the open range high, or 180R. It might come down here. Now, if it comes to 180R and goes sideways and then goes back up, great. If it, continues to break down through 180R, then, price the market is, changing its direction, overall trend, because most likely that's going to mean that, we're now going short, right? I mean, we're probably going to start taking out, these lows and getting to this low. I don't know what's going to happen, but definitely for right now, it's definitely given us a 3-day reversal, right? When that reversal is going to happen, it's happening right now for those who do trade the earlier sessions. But, I trade New York. So by the time I get to the market, we'll see where we're at, and we'll go from there. Okay, so that is the setup for tomorrow, midweek, Wednesday. Okay, it's also reversal Wednesday, or whatever you want to call it. Was it? Nonetheless, guys, thanks for watching.